You may be wondering why the market is going all the way back to the downside in favor of the JPY on USDJPY pair right now, coming all the way down. I'm going to explain that in this very video. And on Euro USD, if you look at it, after this very breakout on resistance, market moved all the way to the upside as a result of the NFP yesterday. All of this breakdown in this very video and this analysis. So watch this video to the very end. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about Forex, day trading strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more Forex videos like this one. Also check the channel for all the creative Forex content. USDJPY one-day chart, market is coming back all the way to the downside, and there is an important divergence that is causing all of this move to the downside. And not only that, we have the NFP yesterday, which is also causing this aggressive move to the downside. And also this very week Wednesday, we see Fed kept interest rate unchanged. Not only that, JPY is strong as we speak, okay, and markets have already been moving all the way to the downside before all of this news came out this very week. And what I am looking out for is very simple. But before that, if you look at it, there is a very crucial divergence on this very chart. From this point, if you draw here, all the way to the upside to this very point, and if you draw the same point on the RSI indicator, you discover that the market was moving all the way to the downside from this very point all the way down. Okay, so this is a divergence, and this is a bearish divergence because market was creating higher highs on the chart, and on the indicator it was creating lower lows, which means market is going to come back down very soon. And that very movement to the downside have been confirmed after the breakout of this very trend line. And I talk about this is a market breakout of this trend line at this very point, and divergence confirmed to be true, and the market began to move all the way to the downside. And then the Fed interest rate that happened on Wednesday and also the NFP of yesterday also feel this very movement all the way to the downside. And this is very crucial, guys. And I believe the market will definitely retrace as we enter next week of trading. Okay, this is my personal opinion, and this is what I'm also expecting as well on USDJPY, for market to have a good retracement and then continuation back to the downside. I am still expecting the market to still move upward. That was before now, but if you look at it, key structure have been broken. We have this structure have break this structure also, and also market have created a new low below this. Okay, so a lot of structure have been broken right now. Therefore, I have changed my perspective of market continuation to the upside. I am now looking at the market continue all the way to the downside. So what I am paying attention to in the next week of trading is very simple right here. After the divergence, market is still going to move down. Remember, this is the one-day chart. So from next week, I am expecting a retracement, okay? And that retracement is going to occur within this very zone of important support. This very area of support is a very critical zone we need to expect the market to enter into. So market have capacity of entering into this very level of important support, okay? From here, market would then have retracement back up, then continuation to the downside. This is what I am expecting on the chart. And then if you look at the RSI indicator, market have already entered into oversold condition, which also means that market have capacity of begin to move all the way to the upside again, and then come back to the downside for continuation of this very move. So the most important thing is that right now the RSI indicator is already in oversold condition, which means coming out of oversold condition, the market is going to move upward for a retracement and a continuation to the downside. This is what I am not paying attention to on USDJPY. Market is going to still move as we resume the market immediately on Monday. Market can move a little bit downward, but this very retracement is very certain. Market is going to retrace before continuation. And then if you look at the length of this very move, this move have moved significantly, okay? So it's a move that have occurred over a week period. and therefore market should retrace before continuation again back to the downside after breakout of these major levels right here. This is very, very important right now on the 1-day chart. Expect this market to still move in continuation formation. That means if you want to buy the market, you have to look for a sell, not to buy the market right now, even though market is going to still move a little bit upward and then continuation. It will be wise for you to wait for market to move upward on the 1-day chart before you take a sell position to the downside and not buying the market on the 1-day chart USDJPY. On the 4-hour chart, if you look at this, market has been coming all the way to the downside this week. It has been very parabolic to the downside all the way, and this is a significant move right now on the 4-hour chart. That is why I am also expecting the market to retrace from this very level of 145.23 to where the market is right now. So within this zone, we should expect the market to retrace and then continuation back to the downside. So expect the market to retrace as we resume the market on Monday for next week of trading. Okay, so that is what I am expecting right now. And then if you look at the RSI have already entered into oversold condition, which means the market have capacity of coming out of oversold condition at this very level and then begin to move all the way to the upside for this very retracement to come in before continuation to the downside. So I am expecting retracement to come in on Monday, Tuesday, then within this very level of 150.70 and this very level of 152.58. That is where retracement is going to pause before continuation again to the downside for a sell opportunity. So what you have to do on the 4-hour chart is to look for sell position, not buying the market, because if you look at this, we are already in a significant move all the way to the downside. Market has been moving all the way down, creating lower lows. That means you need to trade in line with the trend. Okay, so wait for this very retracement to come in into this very level, then sell opportunity will present itself for us to move the market downward with the bigger players. Okay, so look for sell opportunity on USDJPY 4-hour chart. Euro USD, if you look at this very chart, I was looking at the market retrace and then continuation to the upside. Remember, I talked to you about this very movement upward and then market retrace, continuation, create a new high. This is a retracement, then continuation upward again. And this is what I have been looking out for in the past few days. Right now, if you look at this very chart, market has broken out of this very level of trend line. Okay, resistance trend line, market breakout, continuation. This is what you need to pay attention to. So for next week, I am still expecting the dollar to be weak and the euro to be strong, reason because of this breakout on this trend line. And not only that, we are in a progressive uptrend. So market moved up to this very point, retracement did not come back down to where it moved from in the past, and then move upward, create a new high, come back down again, retracement, and then now is continuation and a breakout of this very level of important resistance trend line. So I am expecting that the market will continue this movement all the way to the upside and create a new high on this very chart, 1-day Euro USD. This is very important. If you are a Euro USD trader, it is wise for you to look for buy opportunity on Euro USD rather than selling the market in this very next week of trading. This is a very important analysis for all USDJPY traders and Euro USD traders. You can see right here. And on the 4-hour chart Euro USD, if you look at this, market is moving all the way to the upside. There is an important thing you need to note on this chart right now. From this very point, market has been coming all the way to the downside, and I talk about this very trend line. Okay, this is an important resistance trend line, and I said once we see the market break out of this very trend line, then it is a confirmation that this very movement for retracement have ended and the market is going to begin to move upward on the 1-day chart Euro USD. But on the 4-hour chart, we see that very breakout with the NFP yesterday, and after that very breakout, market begin to move upward. What I am expecting is a continuation of this very move to the upside. So as we resume the market on Monday, it will not be wise for you to just go straight and take a buy position at this very point, because market has moved all the way from here to this very point. Market have to move a little bit upward and then retracement for us to buy before continuation to the upside. This is what you must have to pay attention to. Don't just jump into buying from this very point, because this is already a resistance at this very point right now. So wait for the market to set before entering into a buy position. What I am expecting as we resume the market on Monday is a little bit of move upward and then retracement of this very impulsive move before a buy opportunity will come in for us to buy and then for the market to move upward. This is what you must have to pay attention to right now. And now, in addition to this very analysis, if you look at this very move, market is already showing us one important thing on the chart right now, which is a very crucial divergence that is on the 4-hour chart Euro USD. If you draw from this very point all the way to the downside, market has been coming back to the downside and entering into this very level of oversold condition. So from this very area, if you draw the same from this very point all the way to this very area, it is called market has been moving upward. So we have a movement to the upside, creating new highs, but this was creating new lows on the chart. This is a bullish divergence. It means that the market is going to go bullish very, very soon. And we confirmed this very bullish divergence already with the breakout of this very level of important resistance trend line. So a breakout of important resistance trend line is a confirmation that this very bullish divergence is going to play out accurately well, as you can see right now. So the next thing is for us to wait for a buy position and enter a buy position to the upside in line with what we are seeing on the 1-day chart. So as we resume the market on Monday, like I said earlier, what you should be paying attention to is a little movement upward. Markets have capacity of moving upward a little bit before that very movement downward for a retracement of this very current impulsive move. Then after the retracement, market is going to begin to move upward. That is only way we can buy around this very point after retracement. Not exactly this very price level, but retracement have to come in before we can then buy the market for a continuation to the upside on Euro USD. So on Euro USD 4-hour chart, look for buy opportunity. And then on Euro USD 1-day chart, market is still going to buy to the upside. On USDJPY, market is going to sell but wait for a retracement. USDJPY 1-day chart, wait for the market to retrace. Expect a retracement to come into the market by next week of trading. So this is a very important weekly wrap-up, guys. Pay attention to this very analysis, put it in line with your strategy and see how it works, and always be in the right direction of the market 90% of the time. Please don't forget to support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe and turn on the bell notification for more Forex videos like this. Also check the channel for all the Forex content. And if you've not registered with any broker, I have a recommended broker for you in the description of this very video. Check it out and do your registration right away. Thanks for watching.